Hi, so I'm out here planting some potatoes, and for my potato variety, we happen to have some honey gold potatoes that were grown in California. So, as you can see, let me show you here. All I did was take this bed of kale that I've had growing here all winter long, and this is just compost that was laid down in the no-dig fashion, so you can see it's very nice dark black under here. I'm afraid though that this may not be very nutrient intense because the kale's been extracting all winter long, and I've had a fair bit of weeds growing in here that I pulled out a good bit, and I had some radishes and carrots in here that I've harvested already, and so I don't know how much nutrition is left in this compost, but I'm going to give it a whirl. And all I'm going to do as I plant these potatoes is just drop one in here. So after I drop in the potato, I'm just going to cover it up with a lot of mulch and let it sit. And when it pops up its little head in the few weeks or whatever, I'll cover it up with a lot of mulch. Now, but that's it. Plopping in the potatoes and covering them up with the mulch. Well, that was surely some easy planting. I think I planted a total of 24 little potatoes just now, 24 ounces. I don't know how many potatoes you should get per pound, so I have to check on that and get back with you on it. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I just wanted to have a quick video here showing my potato harvest. I planted about 1.5 pounds of potatoes, and I've already harvested maybe up to 7 pounds of potatoes from about 8 or 9 different plants. I'm just going to get all the rest of them that I can, and hopefully they will be in good condition. I'm a little concerned that some bugs, particularly ants, have been eating little holes into them, so the longer they sit out here, the worse they might get with bug damage. Now, I also thought it was worth mentioning that this is only about a 30 square foot bed at most I planted these potatoes into, so it's a very small little plot, and I'm hoping to get a good many pounds of potatoes, so let's find out. Let's check these ones over here. There should be some good ones. Oh yeah, that's nice. That one's got a good many holes. See that? That's from ants and weevils and who knows what else down in there. And now I got to wash them, and then I'll bring them inside to measure their total weight. Okay, so that was only 8.116 pounds total. Add in these that I harvested earlier. Okay, so that only added in like 3 more pounds. So that would be a total of 11 pounds, plus 2 pounds for my first harvest, which I did measure, I just didn't video it. Makes a total of 8 plus 3 plus 2 is 13 pounds. So that's my grand total. Okay, so 13 pounds of potatoes from 1.5 pound bag of store-bought little potatoes. And that's the results I got, so ain't too bad. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know of any questions and comments. I'll be happy to reply to as many as I can, and be sure to click subscribe and all that good stuff if you like. Thank you.